Hello viewers, today our topic is human eye. Eyes are the sense organ for vision. Eye is a complex optical system that collects light from the surrounding environment and forms an image. It detects the light and converts it into electrochemical impulses in the neurons. Now you can see a diagram of the structure of a human eye. The human eyeball consists of various parts, which include sclera, choroid, retina, cornea, ciliary body, iris, lens, conjunctiva, aqueous humour, vitreous humour, and optic nerves respectively. Eyeball is covered by outer, middle, and inner coats. The outer fibrous coat consists of cornea and sclera. The middle vascular coat consists of choroid, ciliary body, iris, and pupil. The inner nervous coat consists of retina and optic nerves. The cornea, lens, aqueous humour, and vitreous humour form the refractive media of the eyeball. Lastly, conjunctiva and some accessory structures like eyebrows, eyelids, eyelashes, and tear glands form the protective part of the eyeball. Now we will discuss about the various parts of the eyeball. First we will learn about cornea. It is the transparent covering of the front of the eye. It covers 1/6 part of the outer fibrous coat of the eyeball. It also forms the refractive media of the eyeball. It covers the iris, pupil, and the anterior chamber of the eye. It functions like a window that controls the entry of light into the eye. It also focuses the entry of light into the eye. Next we will learn about sclera. It is the protective outer layer of the human eye. It is also called the white portion of the eyeball. It covers 5/6 part of the outer fibrous coat of the eyeball. It contains collagen and elastic fibers. It maintains the shape of the eyeball and provides an anchorage or attachment for the muscles. Next we will discuss about choroid. It is the vascular layer of the eyeball containing the connective tissues and a large amount of blood vessels. It lies between the retina and sclera. It provides oxygen and nourishment to the outer layers of the retina through the blood vessels. Next comes the iris. Iris is a thin structure which is made up of connective tissues. It controls the diameter and size of the pupil and it also defines the eye color. Next comes the pupil. Pupil is the black circular aperture present in the center of the iris. It allows the light to strike the retina. Contraction of pupil occurs when the eye requires less amount of light to view an object. The pupil becomes smaller and thus allows the entry of less amount of light into the eye. Whereas relaxation or expansion of pupil occurs when the eye requires more amount of light to view an object. The pupil becomes larger and thus allows the entry of more amount of light into the eye. Next we will learn about lens. Lens is a refractive media of the eyeball. It is a transparent and biconvex structure in the eye. It is held in its place in the eye by the suspensory ligaments. It allows the formation of a sharp, real, reduced, and inverted image on the retina. The adjustment of the lens for forming an image is called accommodation. Now we will learn about retina. It is the innermost nervous layer of the eyeball. It is a light sensitive layer and it contains the light receptive cells called photoreceptors. The photoreceptors which are present in the retina are rod cells and cone cells respectively. They convert the light waves into electrical signals. The rod cells and cone cells contain two light-sensitive receptor proteins called rhodopsin and iodopsin respectively. Rod cells help in dim light vision, that is, we can view any object at low light intensity, whereas cone cells help in bright light vision, that is, we can view any object at higher light intensity. Cone cells also help in sharp vision and color vision respectively. Next we will learn about the optic nerves. Optic nerves are located at the back of the eye. It helps to transfer the visual information from the rod cells and cone cells of the retina to the vision centers of the brain via electrical impulses. Next we will learn about the aqueous humour and vitreous humour. Aqueous humour is the clear, colourless fluid present inside the front part of the eye. It covers the anterior chamber of the eye. It provides nourishment to the eye and it also helps to keep the eye inflated. It also maintains the intraocular pressure. Next comes the vitreous humour. Vitreous humour is a clear, colourless fluid that fills the space between the lens and the retina of the eyes. It covers the posterior chamber of the eye. It protects the eye and helps it to hold its spherical shape. Aqueous humour and vitreous humour forms the refractive media of the eyeball. Next we will learn about the protective parts of the eyeball. First comes the conjunctiva. It is a thin transparent layer that lines the inner surface of the eyelid. It covers the white part of the eye. It keeps the front surface of the eye moist and lubricated and thus prevents the eye from dryness. It also protects the eye from dust, debris and infection-causing microorganisms. We came to the last part of our topic, that is the accessory structures of eye. The accessory protective structures of the eye are as follows. First is the eyebrows. It protects the eye from sweat, water and dirt. Next is the eyelids. It also protects the eye from dust. Last is the tear glands. They secrete tear and helps to keep the eyes moist and lubricated. So this was all about the human eye. Don't forget to like and share our video. To receive more interesting videos and notifications regarding our online videos, just press the bell icon and subscribe our channel eShekha. Thank you viewers for watching the video.